to create a profile on your Cake application. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we talk about how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to open your Cake application like this, and when it's open, as everyone know, it will open directly on your home page. Right now I just download this app. What I should do right now, just I will come to my profile here, then I will come to settings, and they will tell me if I wanna to create a profile. I will click create profile, and here I will write my email. For example, this is my email. Click continue, and write your password here. And right now I already have, like, this is my account. So guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.